Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Grady-White 235 Freedom. This particular boat is powered by a Yamaha 300 horsepower 4-stroke engine. Ski tow bar on the transom and a transom walkthrough. The battery switch is here, and all Grady's have dual batteries. As we come into the boat, you'll see a very spacious bench seat here on the transom. Transom live oil and fish box. Also, you'll have a freshwater sprayer. As we make our way through the boat, you'll see a raw water washdown on the back corner. On the port side, adjustable sleeper seat. Here at the helm, you'll have the upgraded helm chair with flip-up bolster, stainless steel wheel, tilt steering, Bennett trim tabs with indicator, digital throttle shift, Fusion stereo, and the Yamaha digital gauge system. You'll see this massive hardtop with LED color changing lights, storage net. Over here on the port side, you'll see a very spacious head compartment with mirror, teak and holly floor. As we make our way through the bow, you'll have a bow block-off door. Plenty of storage under the helm. Tackle boxes for fishing. Coming up into the bow, you'll see wraparound bow seating with full bolsters and stainless steel grab rails. This boat also does have the Windlass anchor system. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 235 Freedom. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.